Thank you for attending this paper abstract on Hallway Talks, Informal Conversations in Healthcare Research. This is the second presentation in association with my PhD dissertation project involving a multiple case study analysis in primary care. What I found was that informal conversations was actually a very valuable way to elicit information from healthcare providers in the context of observational research. So a bit of background. In the health sciences, continuous learning is a crucial component of professional development for providers, as well as a method in which students learn from. For example, a resident might work alongside a senior staff member and learn not only about medical practices, but also about the nuances of specific practice areas. Similarly, a provider might seek input from a colleague on treatment options or discuss new guidelines. This is a very informal two-way conversation, also known as corridor teaching, which allows for exchanging of ideas and questions in the midst of practice, resulting in a learning experience. The use of conversational teaching methods has a long history in health sciences and is, in fact, fundamental to a health provider's practice. But despite we know its importance in education, we lack the acknowledgement of its importance in research. Informal conversations are often not recognized as a trusted source of data. These conversations, which provide context and practical information about what is learned and how information is applied, is often lost when researchers rely on more formal techniques such as questionnaires, focus groups, or interviews to gather their information. While the spoken methods may be necessary for obtaining data, they strip away the natural context and richness of knowledge that is just shared through a simple conversation. We know that healthcare research relies heavily on the knowledge and experiences of providers and patients, and it is important to find ways to incorporate this information into health practices and research. But at the same time, traditional methods of qualitative research are being adapted and refined for healthcare contexts. And one potential solution to the challenge of limited participants is using informal conversations as a rapid data collection method and making it easier for people to participate. It can provide valuable insights and enhance the use of new technology that can actually facilitate these conversations. So the paper aims to explore the benefits of using informal conversations in healthcare research and outline strategies for incorporating them into research studies. So during a multiple observational case study, a research team encountered several challenges when collecting information from providers, including their limited time for discussions and even reluctance to share perspectives. But to address these challenges, the team posed the research question: would the use of informal conversations with providers during observational research elicit more nuanced information about the topic under investigation? And to test the question, the researcher employed a participatory observational approach and used informal conversations during the collection of data. The results of this approach were a more thorough understanding of the challenges and opportunities faced by providers, while also respecting the times and commitment of the participants who were involved. There will be more information in the paper, but thank you for listening to this abstract.